Good evening, everyone. I'm Dr. Aseem Sharma, Chief Dermatologist from the Skin Saga Center, Mumbai. Androgenetic alopecia, or AGA, as the name suggests, is balding or thinning of the hair, which can happen due to hormonal influences and genetics. Now, this type of hair loss can be reversed with the right medications, the correct hair care routine, but this is one of those diseases which does not have a 100% cure. However, it is possible to reach a point where you have great density and good volume, but since we can't change genetics or hormones, the treatment has to continue lifelong. Also, the process of reversing hair loss and creating new hair growth is a slow process, and it takes 4 to 5 months of regular and correct treatment for you to be able to see any tangible results. Now, before we get into the treatment part, a lot of you had written to us about the difference. So many of you, for that matter, were confused between hair fall and hair loss, यानी बालों का झड़ना और बाल पतले होना या गंजापन. So you had asked whether hair fall and hair loss are the same thing. Now the answer is no. We lose up to 100 hair per day, which is normal, and this obviously worsens or improves with season, weather, stress, sleeping or hydration and many other factors. But hair fall itself cannot cause balding or thinning, यानी कि बाल गिरने से या झड़ने से गंजापन नहीं हो सकता. Whereas hair loss is something where you can see your scalp through the hair and the volume and the density of your hair has decreased. This can also happen without any hair fall, which is what I said in the beginning. Therefore, बाल झड़ना और गंजापन अलग conditions हैं and they have to be managed separately. Now let's come back to ganjapan or AGA, androgenetic alopecia. How do we treat AGA? Now, a diet rich in proteins, sulfur, iron, zinc, vitamins and minerals is extremely important for hair growth. Additionally, if there are any hormonal imbalances, especially in the case of women, those have to be corrected and treated before we proceed further. Specifically, when you're looking for lotions or serums to control hair loss, look for ingredients such as vitamins B3, B5, B7, Indian watercress. These agents help to maintain the hair structure and they also cause thickening of the hair with an increase in volume. I hope this session helps you with your hair loss. Please do drop in any questions in the comment section below and I would love to take up another session on hair loss. Thank you.